This is Jacob. I got my machine lawnmower all put back together. Got a little charging problem. Charging on it, getting it right. That's the one I say I had a tight belt on, and I'm gonna try it out. My baby girl gonna camcord me. This is my dudes coming out the back. I'm gonna push it out the shop because I don't know what it's gonna do. But if it ride, we gonna ride. If not, we gonna fall. I keep putting my hand in front of the camera. That's my baby girl. Hey, Joy. You can't say hey? Hey. She gonna be running the camera while I get this thing started. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, baby. Put your hand in front of it.
I don't know how to work a camera.
Okay. Alright. You got it on the track or you got it on me? You don't know. You must have it on the track. Yeah, that's a pretty boy, baby. I'm gonna push it out because see, I don't know what it's gonna do. Watch out. Watch out. Y'all know what I know. Y'all to get out of my way. Alright. Do what we can. I did say the belt is too tight. So I'm gonna take my time. Whoa, baby. Yeah. Need to do a little more charging. We finna ride.
Oh my God.
Might get cranky. That bad boy wanna turn over. Belt problem, George. What's going on? Still on, I'm just stuck. Somehow I got stuck. Maybe you think I ran into this guy. Really? I'm on a stick. Come on, baby. Let the good time roll. Really? Don't you know I'm on recorder? Don't you know I got people looking at me, man? Sasha, let's ride, baby. God bless everybody. Beep.